Good day, everyone, and welcome to a lesson of Afperiode. Today we are doing an English lesson and we are doing abbreviations. As you can see, the mind map I've got on the board is about abbreviations. So before I start, I just want to explain to you that we are not only going to do abbreviations once. Every time you'll see maybe in 3 lessons time, we're doing abbreviations again. Or we're doing past tense and then 3 lessons after that past tense again. It's because we are putting building blocks in place. Like I said with the introduction video, we're putting building blocks in place so that we can build our base so that the wall does not cave in when we do more difficult work. So today we're starting with abbreviations and we're doing the more basic stuff. First of all, a little bit of history. The abbreviations Mr. and Mrs., which is the MR and the MRS, were first used for the words master and mistress. So that was the use of the abbreviations earlier years. The second thing I want to explain to you over here is American English uses a full stop after its abbreviations, where the British English does not. And we in South Africa use the British English system. Thirdly, the abbreviation MISS, which is MISS, is used when we speak or address a lady that is not married. And then at the top there, the abbreviation MS is used when we use a full name and surname for a lady regardless her marital status, regardless if she is married or not. I hope you enjoyed this lesson about abbreviations. I will see you next time. Enjoy your break. Goodbye.